here we are going to find 3 number answer. Here that Sandeep has spent actually the question is we have to find he has spent 1/5 part of this income on food, 1/10 part is spent on clothing, and 2/5 part is spent on transportation. Then how many parts did he spend in total? Total is spent equal to now total spent is he spent 1/5 part on uh, food and 1/10 part on clothes and 2/5 part on transportation. So by taking LCM, because 5 10 LCM is 5 1 2 1 10, yes. So here 2, here 1, here 2 into 2, so 4 5 6 7 7 by 10. A number answer is this much. And then B number answer. Now B number answer is how many parts he saved. Total is 1 and the spent is 10 by 7 by 10, so 3 by 7, that is 10 minus by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, in this way. And C number is how much money he has saved. Money is equal to, because he saved this part of his income, so we can multiply from 3 by 10, multiply this cancel, uh, 27 multiplied by 3 81 0 0. This is the answer.